forestry professionals trust the Barco 240 loader for its proven strength and reliability in demanding environments. Powered by a 220 horsepower Cummins QSB 6.7 Tier 3 diesel engine, it delivers smooth, consistent performance. The iQuan electro-hydraulic control system enhances precision in harvesting tasks, including drawbar control. With an impressive 1.3-to-1 drawbar pull ratio and up to 50,778 foot-pounds of torque from its dual swing drive motors, it excels on steep slopes and rugged terrain. Now, as oil and fuel prices keep rising, industries and governments are turning to smarter alternatives. Wood chips have emerged as a powerful energy source, driving massive demand thanks to their efficiency, renewability, and ability to deliver reliable power without the heavy cost of traditional fuels. Vermeer's forestry solution, the WC2000 300XL whole tree chipper, delivers serious wood chip production power. With dual variable speed conveyors and smart grinding technology, it processes logs and branches efficiently into high-value output, while replaceable wear parts make maintenance faster, easier, and more cost-effective for long-term performance. The Schlitz log debarker is engineered to make bark removal safer, smoother, and more efficient, handling all types of round logs with ease. Its adjustable feed system improves surface quality while simplifying every step for operators. Running at speeds up to 30 feet per minute on 6-inch logs, it delivers fast, consistent results, and the integrated fan automatically clears debris, ensuring a clean, seamless, and highly productive workflow from start to finish. Smash that like button and subscribe to Iron Engine to keep the power rolling and never miss the next insane machine in action. Even as the final entry, Drew Machinery delivers serious impact with rugged construction, high precision, and outstanding performance across demanding operations. Built to process logs up to 15 inches thick with near-zero downtime, the lineup includes the TT400 circular saw for initial breakdown cuts and outer layer removal. Paired with dual-shaft multi-rip saws like the WD200, 240M and WD2, 240M, it rapidly converts logs into boards, beams, or squared timber, with thickness manually adjusted by blade spacing for complete control and versatility. If you need serious debarking power, the Cambio 800D is engineered to handle logs up to 31 inches in diameter with outstanding efficiency and precision. Featuring a triangular feed system and pneumatic carbide tools, it delivers high-speed performance while keeping maintenance low and operating costs minimal. Built for durability and reliability, this machine stands out as a top-tier solution for high-demand sawmills and log yards seeking maximum productivity. First on the list is this powerhouse from Baker Products, a high-production sawmill built to transform your workflow. With a 50-horsepower electric motor and a massive 3/6-inch blade, it slices through hardwood and softwood with ease, while smart ergonomic upgrades and a rugged I-beam steel frame maximize efficiency, control, and operator comfort on every cut. Precision matters most in jobs like this, and Baker delivers with dual 3/6-inch steel wheels that extend blade reach and boost cutting speed without sacrificing accuracy. Harvesting has never been easier with the unique Rotney H8D, built for precision and control in demanding forestry work. Its dual-section track system and flexible joint deliver smooth tracking across rough terrain, while the Rotney traction control system offers 3 speed ranges, anti-slip function, and maximum ground grip. Designed for thinning operations, it handles long distances with minimal intervention and works efficiently even at a reach of 20 to 23 feet from the trees. Now let's talk about the John Deere 959M, a 330 horsepower forestry harvester built for serious performance and reliability. Its long, wide undercarriage delivers exceptional stability, while easy access service points simplify maintenance and inspections. The optional rapid cycle system lets operators fine-tune settings for changing conditions, boosting cutting productivity by up to 30% and keeping operations efficient in demanding environments. When it comes to logging operations, the TigerCat 724G stands out as a powerful and highly capable machine built for tough terrain. With improved weight distribution and a balanced design, it delivers greater stability and productivity. Its advanced engine cooling system and efficient hydraulics ensure consistent performance, even under heavy workloads in challenging forest conditions. If you're tackling rough terrain, the TigerCat Mulcher 480B is built to dominate with strength and durability. Powered by a 480 horsepower Tier 4 engine, it delivers rapid load response, high power density, and smooth performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its rugged construction reduces wear and extends lifespan, while low operating costs and reliable output make it a top choice for demanding land clearing operations. Powered by a massive 950 horsepower engine, the Vermeer HG6800TX horizontal grinder stands among the most powerful in its class. It effortlessly processes whole trees, stumps, and oversized material with minimal operator input. Low sidewalls make feeding easier, while the SMGE system monitors engine speed and adjusts grinding for peak efficiency. Its durable dual drum with Series 3 hard-faced housing ensures long-lasting, high-performance operation in the toughest conditions. At first glance, wooden boards may seem simple, but producing them demands a tough, precise milling process with refined logs and heavy machinery. That's where the Frontier sawmill shines. Despite its compact footprint, it handles logs up to 27 inches in diameter with a powerful 420cc engine, delivering impressive performance even in tight spaces where larger equipment simply can't operate. If you love seeing raw power and precision in action, hit like and subscribe to Iron Engine for more incredible machines and mind-blowing moments.
The many patented inventions are just some of the reason that nor reducing countless repetitive operations, you get dramatically higher production.